What up, what up? It's your boy back with another banger, man. You already know what it is, man. Welcome to another episode of Detroit Eats, man. And y'all already know, I've been doing a lot of food trucks lately, you know what I'm saying? Because I be in the downtown area, you know. I got the little downtown eatery little place where it's like 80 food trucks in rotation. Now, y'all know we've been trying to catch all the food trucks. Y'all know, go back, watch my channel if y'all ain't seen the ones I did so far. You know what I'm saying? The ones I showed y'all so far. Today we got a couple of the same ones, but we got a couple of different ones. I haven't tried them all yet anyway, so even the same ones that's here, I don't think I tried them all yet, but there's a couple different ones that have caught my eye today. We gonna get up close to them. We gonna kind of see what it is. Let's see what it's hitting for. So let's get to it, y'all. Alright, man, your boy is back, man. So we got the food. It started raining and people didn't move. The line was long, so that immediately let me know where we was going. We went to the CIA truck, right? Then we went to this truck that sell like frozen drinks or whatnot. And they had like this lemonade that they kind of use nitrogen on, so it's kind of slushy. Man, let's check this out. Never had it before. Let's check it out. Strawberry lemonade, nice. That's pretty good, man. Yeah, I ain't too mad at that. Yeah. Listen, absolutely. I like strawberry. It's kind of like my favorite flavor when it comes to drink, or one of. So if you're a fan of strawberry, that drink good. 10 out of 10. Let's get into this Philly. Regular Philly. The bread is soft. The meat is tender. The steak is tender. Seasoned good. I gotta get that lemonade. 10 out of 10, I'm not gonna lie. I gotta get this Philly steak. Oh man. It's just the right amount of cheese. I ain't eat waffle fries. I haven't had a waffle fries so long. I can be seasoned a little bit more. Overall, that's two good places. CIA, with these cheesesteaks. Oh man, these is it. The Aruba truck with the freeze, the nitrogen freeze lemonade. 10 out of 10. Philly steak, 9 out of 10. I'm gonna give them waffle fries 7 out of 10, man. But y'all make sure y'all check this place out, man. If y'all ever see this truck anywhere, believe me, it's well worth it. Listen, man, thanks for watching, man. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe for more content from this channel. Thank y'all for watching, man. I love y'all, man. Peace.